In this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently stop Dropbox notifications. If you're receiving a lot of alerts from this app and you wish to stop them, then just follow these steps. If this helps, please like and subscribe. To do this, you need to access Dropbox app info page, and you can do this by just long pressing on your app and you should see app info. If you don't see this, you should see either the name of the app or a settings gear. If you tap on any of this, you will be on the app info page. Alternatively, you can also access this page just by going to settings and then apps and manage apps or all apps, and this will list all the apps you have on your smartphone. Search for your app by name, and if you tap on it, you can see we are on the app info page. Here, look for permission section, and under it you should see notifications. If you tap on notifications, currently we have all these types of notifications and there are 6 of them turned on. To disable all of them once, just toggle here, show notifications, and if you toggle it off, now all the other notifications will be disabled. From now henceforth, you'll never again receive notifications or alerts from Dropbox app unless you turn it on. So let me know if you are able to achieve this. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.